Guys, we are headed to an amazing event at Comfort Farms, founded by Jon Jackson. He's a veteran. He is just amazing. This event, if you can't be at this event, you better make it to the next one. So guys, Comfort Farms, Jon is training veterans for second careers in farming and the culinary arts. We got to go to this event because, baby, they got the pit masters. They're doing outdoor cooking all weekend, and we're going to be there, and we're going to bring y'all along with us. Let's go. All right, we have made it to Comfort Farms. All right, guys, we made it to Comfort Farms. We're here. We're on the hunt to go find Jon, so let's go find him. Guys, look at this. This is some of Jon's Mother Africa okra pods. These things grow to like 6 feet and more. Amazing. Look at this, alpacas.
Yeah, he's still kind of new to people.
Aww. They said his name is Pedro. Hi, Pedro. Hi, buddy. Hi. All right, we're heading to the chickens. We're heading to the chicken. AJ has to see the chickens. Where you at, AJ?
I'm behind you.
Oh, boy, stop. AJ has to see the chickens.
Oh my God,
look at the chicks. Hi. Guys, I didn't even see the rabbits. Look at the rabbits. Oh. And there's so many. Look at it, got turkeys. You see the turkeys, AJ?
Yeah.
Turkeys, ducks, and chicken. We got food stations. That's what I'm talking about. Some food. Look at the grub. Hi. Good. How are you? Look at that grub. What y'all cooking?
They're about to start doing some oysters in a little bit, and then we are working on grilling up the trim and scrap so that we can have a bone broth.
Ooh,
What's the name?
Real good bone broth.
Awesome. Whoa.
How you doing over there?
I'm in awe. The event has grown so much since the last time we were here. It's crazy. So many people. It's probably like a quarter of the people here, but then it was like 3 years ago. So many people. It's awesome.
It's kind of like a pinball bouncing around there. It's hitting those nerves because you can't get out, And every time it's doing that, it's doing irreversible nerve damage to these animals. They'll get attacked or drunk in the back end and real quick where the meningeal worm does not build a resistance to the ivermectin.
Nice. Because
the alpaca and llama are dead end host. So there's never a live, the alpaca or llama interrupts that life cycle that when they're in a deer, it would come back out in that pupae or larvae or whatever stage. And so that worm will die with those animals. So we've had the ability all these years to use ivermectin in a way we would never do it for intestinal type parasites.
Right.
Intestinal ivermectin once every 30 or 45 days to prevent it because it takes
We were on the hunt to find Jon, and we found him. There he is. He's filming someone else.
Man,
There's
well,
Jon
you know,
Jackson,
it's the truth, man.
guys.
As much
Jon
as I,
Jackson.
think that I can do everything alone. I can't. Right, and we know you all try.
We're gonna do?
Oh yeah. Most definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good.
So guys, what's taking place is back here under this pavilion, you got pit masters in different stations, and they're cooking up various different things. So you see one guy over here chopping up something there. You got somebody over here cooking. They're all cooking something different. Over here, we're going to go down over here in this area to see what's going down over here. What y'all eating? Like you got something good. Ooh, yum. Yum. You got a rib for real. Look at these grills. Look at that. She eating a whole rib. Like rib for real. Look at the machinery. And they have a ball. Yes.
Popular corn and whiskey, right? It's Jimmy Red Corn right now. So Jimmy Red Corn, you know, that almost disappeared. You know, and somebody had it, it grew back again, and it's making a resurgence. Obviously more in whiskey, but it's also making a great drink as well. So it almost disappeared. So if you look at that, you have access to that again because people are making sure that that is going to continue to stay alive. They're making the effort to protect that and making sure that it doesn't disappear. So
guys, if you're just coming in,
farmers
we're
and
at
your native
Farms for their culinary arts
that are
and agriculture
making
and
that
pit
first and
masters
foremost
today.
common practice.
We just saw some pit masters cooking up, and now there are some that are cooking up some
not only share their
tamales.
with you, but when you go to these little places, the little mercados, the little taquerias, whether you're traveling in another country, you know, Sam does that as well. She does some great tours. Follow her for some information because you have an opportunity to learn about these cultures and take some visits and tours with her as well to understand that. So it's a great experience to go someplace else and understand and respect the culture and what those people are keeping going and alive. And Sam's a great connection and research for that as well. So thank you, Sam, for continuing to do that.
I want to watch an expert in action here.
Look at the oysters.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. The oysters.
I used to work in a that's two of them. That's two whole sheep right there. I broke it. Get them down to pieces.
They're getting ready to cook up something good over here. got their veg. Got their meat. 9/11, never forget. Yeah, look at that. Check out the oysters. Alright, chicken boy gotta go say bye to the chickens. You know, he love a chicken. Say bye to the turkeys, the ducks, the rabbits.
Bye, would you put that in? That's a chunky one right there. Look at that. Oh, that's chunky.
Yeah.
That one's pecking at something.
Oh, they got a silky chicken. Is that silky? Oh, this a big guy. This a big guy. You're a big guy. Look at you.
Big chicken. That's a big chicken. Look at the. There's some chunky boy.
Look, y'all, look at the turkey just hanging out. He's just chilling. He's so calm, hanging out. It's a big. Yeah, he's talking to us. Hi.
He's just chilling, man.
So when you come, there's plenty of parking. It rained like crazy yesterday, so it's kind of a muddy mess out here right now, but plenty of parking. AJ. Hey. So guys, we stopped at my in-laws. They live not too far from Jon Jackson's event, and so we stopped there, and now we're going to stop to see my mother. But before we go to see her, she's just down the road from where we are right now. We're at a JP gas station, and at this JP gas station they have Georgia grown products, so I'm going to take you in to show you that. One of my favorite products that they have in there is from the what's it called again? The Savannah Bee Company. Yeah, I love Savannah Bee Company. It, you know, they manufacture honey, beautiful honey. I think I did a video on a visit that we did there, and go back and see that video. It's awesome. The bottles of the honey are just beautiful. They're like wine bottles. They're gorgeous. But they make lotions and really thick body creams. So good. So we're going to go in JP and see what we find. And I need to get my mother some snacks. So we're going inside of JP. There's a Dunkin' Donuts that way. King this way. So much shopping in here. It's crazy. They have showers, laundry, gaming, everything in here. All the shopping in here. Look at the beautiful stuff. This is a gas station. What we looking for, y'all. Look. There it is. Georgia grown. And there's my Savannah Bee Company. All the honey. These are the regular bottles. Those are the minis, are the Holy Grail. Look how beautiful those bottles are. There's everything in here that's locally sourced, from jams to hot sauce, barbecue sauces, spices, everything. Even all of this stuff, all Georgia grown. Peach cider, not apple cider, peach cider. Georgia peach, baby. You'll see all the stuff in that JP gas station. It's a JP gas station. It's amazing. I didn't even take y'all all the way through it, because like the showers and all the things for like people or truckers, or you're stopping through, showers, laundry, gaming area. It's crazy in there, but good. All right, on to grandma's house. We're going to take my mother her snacks. All right, let's go.